just open them from the half and let's pour them. Okay.